So if you thought the Engineering Technology Group only sold milling, turning, EDM and 3D printing machines, think again.
So it's really exciting times for us at the minute. We've just welcomed on a new product from our last acquisition of HK, introducing the Mitsubishi EDM solutions. We've added in, and we're always looking for that next opportunity. So looking at sheet metal processing, we've seen a gap in the market for a machine. We're pleased to announce that we've partnered up with DNE Global, and we'll be representing them through the UK and Ireland.
I'm Shane Langston. I'm a representative at the Engineering Technology Group to head and product manage the new range of DNE laser machines. So from a young age, started an apprenticeship and then followed it all the way through, been in the industry for 17, 18 years plus now. So from engineering, service, sales, software, whole capable really. I think the DNE machines are a very good product. It's a good brand name. I think it's strong, and I think the way the industry is leading and going at the moment, I think it's going to be very competitive.
Yes, we're really excited about bringing the product in. We've invested heavily in bringing machines into stock, and people more importantly, and we look forward to welcoming the machine here in October, ready for our open house in November.